Hey Maya, I've been trying to wrap my head around this whole relational database thing. What makes it relational?
Good one. So, a relational database organizes data into tables, and each table represents an entity, like something important in the real world. For example, if you're building a system for a store, you'd have separate tables for customers, products, orders, and order line items.
So each table is kind of like a sheet in Excel, right?
Exactly. Each row in that table is a record of one instance, like one customer or one product. And the columns are the details about that record. For customers, you'd have first name, last name, maybe email or even middle name.
Okay, but what if a customer doesn't have a middle name?
Good catch. In that case, the value would just be left null, which means no data, totally acceptable in relational databases.
And what about the kind of data going into those columns?
That's where data types come into play. Each column is defined with a specific data type. So, email would be text. Price might be a decimal number. Quantity would be an integer. Order date would be a date, time value.
Oh wow, so it keeps everything super tidy and structured.
Exactly, it's structured data, and it makes things easier to validate and query later on. Most systems also follow ANSI SQL standards, so the rules are pretty consistent whether you're using MySQL, PostgreSQL, or Azure SQL.
So if I want to pull all the orders made by a specific customer, I just connect the customer and order tables?
Yep. That's where the relationships come in, usually via something like a customer ID key. You'd use SQL joins to combine data from multiple tables.
Gotcha. It's like connecting dots with data.
Exactly, relational databases are all about modeling real-world relationships cleanly and efficiently.